Meaning of disestablishment.
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 Disestablishment. Disestablishment refers to the process of separating a state from an established church, and removing the church's formal legal recognition as the state religion. The result of disestablishment is that religious institutions lose their special privileges such as state funding or legal authority and become subject to the same laws and regulations as other organizations. This often leads to greater religious freedom, as individuals are no longer forced to adhere to the doctrines of a particular church or support its activities through their taxes. Disestablishment has occurred in various countries throughout history, including the United States, France, and Japan.